IC 7011, General Bipin Chandra Joshi, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, ADC, was the 17th Chief of Army Staff from July 1993 to November 1994. He was born on 5th of December 1935 in village Malla Dania in district Almora. He was born to Mr. H.C. Joshi, who was an avid sportsman and a law practitioner, and his mother, Mrs. Revati Joshi, who was a homemaker. But the god wasn't kind enough, and his initial life was a bit melancholy, as he was deprived of the benevolent hands of his parents at a very young age. He pursued his early education from village Dania itself, and for further education he moved to his maternal grandfather's house. As a young boy, he was selected for the National Defence Academy Khadagwasla, and after the successful completion of training there, he underwent training in the Indian Military Academy Dehradun, where he was awarded with the prestigious President's Gold Medal for standing first in the Order of Merit. He was commissioned on 4th December 1954 in the 2nd Lancers Regiment, also known as Gardiner's Horse of Armoured Corps of Indian Army. He commanded an armoured regiment in Western Sector in 1971 Indo-Pak War. Later, he commanded an armoured brigade, an infantry division, and became the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Southern Command before becoming the Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army. He was dedicated to serve not only India but the world too. His career in the army was marked out from the top since the very beginning. He remained distinguished and exemplary in all spheres of life and service.
General Joshi was an intensely patriotic, deeply religious, and thoroughly steeped in the service ethos. Whenever General Joshi toured Kumaon, he always presented himself as a simple Kumaoni and was far from the pomp and show and glamour. During his first visit to Almora after he became the Chief of Army Staff, he was asked what food he would prefer for his lunch and dinner. The staff in charge of arrangement was simply amazed to find that his preference was the local Kumaoni food. He was the first army chief who died in harness. He always used to say that he wanted to die with his boots on. The fateful day came on the 19th of November 1994, on which an illustrious and brilliant career met with an abrupt end. This documentary is a tribute to this great son of Kumaon, the great warrior, our beloved general, late General Bipin Chandra Joshi, PVSM, AVSM, ADC. Brightening the path for us is the torch he lit. Today, on the way to pursue and fulfill his dream, we would like to take you on a short ride on the journey of General B.C. Joshi Army Public School, Pithoragarh. A sapling which was sown by General B.C. Joshi on 16th October 1993 has metamorphed into a sprawling campus of 23 acres with pollution-free healthy environment. It has turned into a healthy plant and is growing well in the beautiful valley of the Pithoragarh Hills. General B.C. Joshi Army Public School has been established under the aegis of Army Headquarters Adjutant General's Branch to cater to the needs of children of defense personnel, including ex-servicemen and to some extent to those of civilians and non-resident Indians. The school aims at providing quality education in an environment that ensembles the contemporary values of science and technology.
General B.C. Joshi Army Public School, a premier educational institution, is located in the pristine Kumaon Hills of Uttarakhand. The school was established in 1996 as residential co-educational school to provide quality public school education to the wards of serving and retired army personnel. The school is affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE New Delhi and is from class 1st to class 12th. It is a residential cum-day school. The infrastructure of General B.C. Joshi APS Pithoragarh, being a residential cum-day school comprising of academic, administrative, utility block, 4 hostels for boys and 1 hostel for girls for providing boarding facilities to students of defense, civilian wards, including MEA-sponsored Nepalese students. The school also has students' mess, ante-room, generator room, indoor sports complex, squash court, principal and bursar residence inside the campus, and 16 staff quarters outside the school campus. Despite having an infrastructure parallel to international school standards, achieving good results both in class 10th and class 12th board exams, and sending many students to prestigious institutions including NDA and IMA. The main building is also known as Adam Block. It contains Office of OIC Schools, Principal Office, Adam Office, Computer Lab, Library, and classes from 10th to 12th. Secondary education is considered the second and final phase of the basic education. This building contains different labs and classrooms for class 6th to 9th. Primary education is the first stage of formal education. This is the building of primary wing where the budding minds are facilitated by the teachers. It is aimed to achieve the harmonious development of the child's body, mind, heart, and soul. Every child is unique and has capability to learn differently. Keeping this in mind, a resource room is established for inducing inclusive education. We have 4 hostels for boys and 1 hostel for girls. The hostels are in the name of the great souls. The blue color, which is a symbol of responsibility, is given to the Bhagat Hostel, which shows the dedication of Lieutenant General Premendra Singh Bhagat, PVSM, VC. पीला रंग, जो कि खुशहाली और ऊर्जा का प्रतीक है, ये कलर दिया गया है करियप्पा हॉस्टल को। फील्ड मार्शल करियप्पा, ऑर्डर ऑफ ब्रिटिश एम्पायर, भारत के पहले सेना अध्यक्ष थे। फील्ड मार्शल सैम मानेकशॉ, MC, was the chief of army staff. Manekshaw Hostel is in red color, which is the symbol of passion and love. Now, Thimaiya Hostel, which is in green color, and this color shows the new beginning and the natural beauty. General Thimaiya was a distinguished soldier of the Indian Army who served as Chief of Army Staff. Rani Lakshmi Bai, a warrior queen of Jhansi, जिनके नाम पर है हमारा गर्ल्स हॉस्टल। गुलाबी और श्वेत रंग से सराबोर, यह मिठास और पवित्रता का प्रतीक है। Nothing brings people together like good food. Well-equipped mess is part of hostel, which provides healthy and tempting food to the students residing in the hostel. विद्यार्थियों में कौशलात्मकता को बढ़ाने के लिए पाठ्य सहगामी प्रक्रियाएं बहुत जरूरी होती हैं। विद्यार्थियों की खोजी प्रवृत्ति, जिज्ञासा और उनकी रचनात्मकता को बढ़ाने हेतु विद्यालय हमेशा से ही मंच प्रदान करता आया है। इंटर हाउस एक्टिविटीज, इंटर स्कूल एक्टिविटीज, आर्ट म्यूजिक वर्कशॉप, वाद विवाद, नृत्य, समूह गान, मेहंदी हो या रंगोली आदि सभी क्रियाकलाप विद्यालय बच्चों की क्रियात्मक पहल पर हमेशा अग्रसर रहता है। चलो मिलकर एकता का एक बंध तैयार करें। हाथों से हाथ मिला हम और आप एक साथ बढ़ें।